Welcome to English Talk Trail. Do you want to speak English with more confidence?
We can speak English, Dr. Ma.
Do you want to understand native speakers more easily and sound more natural when you speak? Then you are in the right place.
Don't you speak English?
Welcome to today's English practice video. This lesson is fun, simple, and very effective. If you watch it many times, you will see real progress in your speaking skills. Today, we have 4 exciting parts. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. So get ready, open your ears, and let's start training your brain to think and speak in English. Part 1, English listening practice. First, you will listen to a short English conversation. Just relax and try to understand the main idea. Don't worry about every single word. This will help you enjoy listening and understanding natural English better. Cheapskate.
Hey, Tom, are you coming to Emma's birthday dinner tonight?
I'm not sure. The restaurant looks a bit expensive.
Oh, come on. Don't be a cheapskate. It's her special day.
I'm not a cheapskate. I just want to save money this month.
I understand, but you don't have to spend a lot. You can order something simple.
Maybe, but last time Mark called me stingy because I didn't want dessert.
That's not fair. Wanting to save money doesn't mean you're stingy.
True. I just don't like wasting money on things I don't need.
That's smart, not cheap. And Emma will be happy if you come. She really wants all her friends there.
Okay, you convinced me. I'll join, but I'm getting the cheapest thing on the menu.
Deal. And don't worry, no one will call you a cheapskate tonight.
Thanks. Let's go.
Part 2. Learn vocabulary. Now, let's learn some useful new words from the conversation. I'll explain the meaning of each word and give you some easy examples. Repeat after me and try to remember them. Vocabulary. Cheapskate. A cheapskate is a person who does not like to spend money, even when it is okay to spend. Examples. Tom is a cheapskate because he never buys anything extra. Don't be a cheapskate. It's Emma's birthday.
Mr. Cheapskate, he gets us a room that does not even have double beds.
No, it's because you're a cheapskate who got rich off our back.
Oh, what a cheapskate.
Something you wouldn't know anything about, you cheapskate.
He's a cheapskate, a skinflint, and a parvin.
Stingy. Stingy means a person does not want to give or spend money. Examples. She is not stingy. She just wants to save money. People think he is stingy, but I think he is quite generous.
Stingy bitch, open up.
So stingy.
In those moments when you're not sure the undead are really dead, don't get all stingy with your bullets.
People these days are just stingy assholes.
Convince. To convince someone means to make them believe or agree with you. Examples. I tried to convince my friend to join the trip. He convinced me that the plan was good.
He is the only man I ever did or could love, and I know you will convince him of it.
How are you going to convince me or anybody else that you're being fair to yourself and your husband by keeping this baby instead of saving your own life?